So there's one thing I don't talk very much about, and that has to do with design as a tool for branding. So design, when used intelligently by a company, can amplify their brand amazingly. Use design to amplify the brand. That's what's important. Never, ever use design as a sort of, let's make things look pretty, as an afterthought, independent of the brand. You have a story to tell. You dig that. Look at the beauty of that, but it's still true to the brand because it's all handcrafted. The whole idea was for it to look and reflect beauty and a handcrafted mentality and a handcrafted quality. Be consistent. Use this stuff to amplify. Use design as the tool to crush it and just destroy anonymity. That's your job. Destroy anonymity.